In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Developer Tools icon on Google Chrome on PC. If you want a cleaner Chrome toolbar and you'd prefer to remove the Developer Tools icon, this is a very quick setting to change. I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow, even if you don't usually adjust browser settings. To begin, open Google Chrome on your PC. Make sure the browser is fully open and you're on any normal Chrome window before moving to the next step. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. This menu gives you access to many browser options, including the Settings area where we need to go. From that menu, click on Settings. When the Settings page opens, you'll see different categories and options that control how Chrome looks and behaves. Since we're changing something related to the toolbar, the section we need is called Appearance. Now click on Appearance. This section is where Chrome lets you manage visual elements of the browser, including parts of the toolbar and how certain tools are displayed. If you've never been here before, just take your time and look through the options carefully. In the Appearance section, find and click Customize your toolbar. This opens the controls for the icons and shortcuts that appear in Chrome's toolbar. It's a useful area if you want to make Chrome look simpler, less cluttered, or better suited to how you use it every day. Once you're in the toolbar customization area, look for the Developer Tools option. When you locate it, you should see a toggle next to it. To disable the Developer Tools icon, simply turn that toggle off. As soon as you switch it off, the Developer Tools icon should be removed from the Chrome toolbar. This change helps keep the top of your browser cleaner and can reduce distractions if you don't use developer features regularly. If you ever change your mind later, you can come back to the same place and turn the toggle back on. That's all it takes. And that's how to disable the Developer Tools icon on Google Chrome on PC.